Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate stunning, high-quality AI images for free using the Z-Image Turbo Notebook on Google Colab. First, navigate to the GitHub repository AI with Chucky Colab Notebooks. Don't worry about typing it out. I've put the direct link right down in the video description for you. Scroll down until you find the Z-Image Turbo Pro link and click the Open in Colab badge. This will take you straight to the interface we need. Before we do anything, there is one crucial step. Google Colab often defaults to a standard CPU, which won't work for image generation. Go up to the top right, click on the arrow next to Connect, or go to the Runtime menu. Select Change Runtime Type. Make sure your hardware accelerator is set to T4 GPU. If it's not, select it and click Save. Now, go ahead and click Connect to start your session. Now we need to install the model. You'll see numbered sections in the notebook. First, click the Play button next to Initialize Environment. You might get a warning that this isn't authored by Google. That's normal, just click Run anyway. This step downloads all the necessary dependencies. It usually takes a while, so I'll skip the loading part a bit. Once that has a green check mark, click the Play button on Load Engine Cell. This loads the AI models into the GPU memory. This usually takes about a minute or two. Once the engine is loaded, scroll down to Creator Studio. This is where the magic happens. For this example, I'm going to use Google Gemini to help me write a highly detailed prompt. I'm asking for a hyper-realistic close-up portrait of a tired starship engineer. Let's configure the settings. Paste your detailed description into the positive prompt box. The negative prompt tells the AI what to avoid. The default one here is usually fine. I'm choosing 1280 by 720 for a widescreen landscape shot. I'm maintaining the steps down at 10. Higher steps usually mean more detail, though it takes longer to generate. Set the guidance scale to 1. This controls how strictly the AI adheres to your prompt. Finally, you can check the auto-download box if you want the image be saved to your computer automatically. Now, hit the Run button. This takes a minute or two to generate single image. And look at that result. We have a highly detailed cinematic portrait. You can right-click and save it or use the auto-downloaded file. Let's try one more to test the environment capabilities. I'm grabbing a new prompt for a planetary exploration scene, a modular research outpost on a frozen moon. I'll paste that into the positive prompt box. I'm keeping the settings the same, 10 steps, guidance at 1, and landscape ratio. Hit Run again, because we are using the T4 GPU on Colab. This is much faster than running it on a standard laptop. And here's the result, a crisp, 3D rendered style moon base. The lighting and shadows are handled perfectly. When you are finished generating your images, it is very important to clean up. Go back to the top right, click the arrow next to RAM, Disk, and select Disconnect and Delete Runtime. Google gives you a limited amount of free GPU hours per day. By disconnecting when you're done, you ensure you save those hours for your next project. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description to try this notebook yourself.